We are making a spicy tuna bowl with black rice. Spicy tuna, as delicious as it is super easy to make, and you can turn regular tuna to spicy tuna with 2, maybe 3 ingredients. I've already cooked my organic black rice, and I'm going to turn it into sushi rice. I chose black rice for my recipe because it has more nutrients. It's also just really pretty. Make a spicy tuna ball and place it right on top. An avocado here, I love it. My spring onions, white sesame seed, cucumber slices. I'm going to finish this off with a dollop of sriracha on top. And there you have it, a healthy and delicious spicy tuna black rice bowl. HOIA!
You have a monkey.
Monkey smells the tuna. Monkey. Tuna. Our cat gets sashimi grade tuna. Oh, happy. It's all mine. Thank you. Thank you.